So hello friends, my name is DRC. Welcome to Science Space Biology YouTube channel. My video is titled as Science and Tech News. Let's start the video. First news is engineers create white paint that reflects 95.5% of sunlight. Engineers from Purdue University developed a new white paint using calcium carbonate fillers which absorb almost no ultraviolet rays. It'd replace the need for air conditioning by absorbing nearly no solar energy and sending heat away from the building, researchers said. During testing, the acrylic remained 10 degrees Celsius below surrounding temperature at night and at least 1.7 degrees Celsius lower under direct sun. Second news is scientists measure the shortest interval of time ever recorded. Atomic physicists at Goethe University Frankfurt, the Fritz Haber Institute of the Max Planck Society in Berlin and Daisy have measured that it takes 247 zeptoseconds for a photon to travel across a hydrogen molecule. It's the shortest time span that has been successfully measured to date. A zeptosecond is a trillionth of a billionth of a second. Third news is scientists accidentally discover new organ in human throat while studying prostate cancer and examining a new combination of CT and PET scans. Researchers at the Netherlands Cancer Institute discovered a new set of salivary glands, about 3.81 centimeters in length, in human throat. The new glands, named tubercle salivary glands, are believed to lubricate and moisten the area of the throat behind the nose and mouth. Fourth news is NASA spacecraft touches asteroid 321 million kilometers away to collect sample. NASA's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft successfully unfurled its robotic arm and briefly touched asteroid Bennu to collect dust and pebbles from the surface for delivery to Earth in 2023. The well-preserved, ancient asteroid is currently more than 321 million kilometers from Earth. The spacecraft has been in orbit around the asteroid for nearly 2 years preparing for the touch-and-go maneuver. Fifth news is Bharat Biotech's Covaxin gets approval for phase 3 trials in India. Covaxin, the coronavirus vaccine being developed by Bharat Biotech and ICMR, has received the approval by the Drugs Controller General of India to conduct the third phase of clinical trials. The study would cover 28,500 participants aged 18 years and above across 10 states. The Serum Institute of India began phase 3 clinical trial of Oxford vaccine last month. Sixth news is evidence of lost river that ran through Thar Desert 172,000 years ago found. Researchers have found evidence of a lost river that ran through the central Thar Desert, near Bikaner, as early as 172,000 years ago. The findings published in the journal Quaternary Science Reviews represent the oldest directly dated phase of river activity at Nal Quarry in the central Thar Desert. The river Woodway offered a lifeline to Paleolithic populations, researchers said. Seventh news is rare white sea turtle with leucism condition found. PICS surface volunteers who were checking sea turtle nests on a South Carolina beach found a rare white sea turtle hatchling crawling across the sand. The town of Kiever LS Land shared pictures of the rare turtle on its Facebook page and informed the turtle has a genetic condition called leucism where animals have reduced pigmentation. The condition is described as extremely rare. Last news is 5,000 insects released in Amsterdam to stop spread of Japanese knotweed. The Dutch government has released 5,000 Japanese leaf fleas in Amsterdam in an attempt to stop the spread of the invasive Japanese knotweed. Knotweed spreads rapidly and can cause damage to buildings, pipes and roads. Laboratory tests suggest the leaf fleas, known as Aphilara atadori, can kill young shoots and potentially stop the plant growing by sucking up its sap.